Hi, it's me, Vam, and today I'm going to share another product that I'm using kasi maliit na naman yun or maiksi na naman yung hair ko. So it's another wax. It's a hair wax and the name is Grips. So this is the hard and shiny. Yan. So, alam niyo naman kung wax, medyo sticky talaga siya. Then, yung sticky yung texture, strong yung aroma compared to gel. So, maybe the previous one, I made a video yung Gatsby, yung blue. So, supposed to be yun yung bibilin ko. But this time, I tried a different product, which is this one. So, maganda siya kasi until the next day, matigas pa rin yung hair mo. And well, for my hair, the next day, nagka-curl na siya kasi maliit. Then, natural yung hair ko. Natural yung curls. Hindi na kasi ako nagpapa-perm kasi curl na siya. So, natural curls na. Yeah, so I decided to cut my hair kasi grabe yung hair fall ko. Kahit ganito kaigsi, may hair fall pa rin. Yes, of course, hair fall, it's it's a problem. So sometimes it's caused by stress. Sometimes yung shampoo, hindi dapat everyday. Yan. So right now, I'm applying it. The smell is pang lalaki. But I don't mind. Yes, kasi I think lahat ng wax is pang lalaki talaga yung amoy. Yes, not unless if you're using Vitres or yung isang Monea, the smell is pang babae naman. But this one is pang lalaki. Yes. So, sticky sa kamay right after. So, you need to wash up kasi malagkit. Yan. Yung texture niya, the smell is so good. Pero pang lalaki nga lang. Yes. Yan. This is around 105 or 100 plus. Yes. Hindi naman 150. Mga less than 110 lang. So, another recommended product para sa payo yung buhagad yung hair nyo. Yes, and you can. Kasi curly siya dito. Minsan nilalagay ko ng curlers before I put this product. Yes. So, this is Grips Hair Wax in hard and shiny. Yes. That's all for today. Thank you.